What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT. Today we're here with this 2012 Acura TSX. We've got a little bit of issue with the front glass here where I think maybe from elongated use of bad wiper blades has left this glass in a pretty bad state. At night, you can see from the footage here, if you look at where the glare is, it's like a long beam and it kind of prohibits visibility at night. So we're gonna go ahead, get this thing cleaned up and get ready to apply some polish. All right, so I got these felt polishing pads and I've got this GP Pro glass polishing compound. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm just going to apply a small amount to this pad on the orbital and we'll go from there. So we can see that the water's beating off very, very nicely, which I think this product is working to achieve what I'm looking to correct with the problem of this glass. So it's looking pretty good. We're gonna go ahead and give it one more polish and get these wiper blades changed, and I think we should have the job complete. All right, so we got the polishing complete. The entire glass has been polished. Now we're gonna change the wiper blades and we're gonna get some footage at night to see if that glare is still there, but so far it's looking pretty crystal clear. So as you can see from these photos here, there has been some improvements made from this process, but unfortunately it wasn't enough to correct the damage. I think the damage has gone too far, so we went ahead and got the windshield replaced. This process can work for people who have some minor issues with the glass, but when this one is as far gone as it was necessary to get the entire windshield replaced. After it was replaced, it was as crystal clear as needed. It was the way it was expected. The visibility was back to the way it should be at night. No one wants to have a glare of light showing in their face when it shouldn't be there. So here is the finished product. So I hope you guys were able to learn something from this video. As you can see here, we are back in business. Everything is looking fresh. It's looking good. It's your boy BT. Thank you for checking out this video and I'll catch you guys on the next one.